Hi everyone, this is Antoine from Crisp, and today I'm going to show you how you can adapt a chatbot based on user language. So once you've reached the plugin section, just look for the bot and then create your first scenario. Always remember to set a name, so we'll go for multi-language chatbot today. So first, and as always, we insert an event, which is a user message matches. We had a star, which means that it will trigger on every messages coming from the user. We'll choose to set it through the chat, and then we'll start to use a condition. So as you can see, there are multiple conditions in the chatbot. The one that we are looking for is the condition regarding user language. Check user language. Okay, so first we want to check if the user is speaking, for example, French. So let's look at that. Okay, French, add a locale, apply change. Then we'll have to create another tree, which will mean a new child. We also check the user language. We'll go for English. There we go. And we'll have another one, which will be Brazilian. So it will be in the Portuguese section. Portuguese, there we go. Add a locale, apply change, and we'll have another one, which will be Chinese. So what is this? This is quite simple. In fact, every time a user will come and have a chat with you, then the bot will trigger and look for the user language. Then it will be able to follow and send, for example, a message in the user language. So let's go for it regarding English, for example. So insert an action, as always, a show compose, 2 seconds. Then an action, a send message, text message, which will be so we're going to try with the French one. So insert an action, which will be a show compose, apply change, and then another one, which will be a send message, like text messages. Hey, let's say bonjour. Apply change, save draft, start again, and let's try. And it works. That's perfect. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any questions, just feel free to ask.